Now's your chance to build a brand new Bloomfield home in the master planned community of Hunters Ridge in Crowley, Texas. This neighborhood offers an incredible lifestyle with built-in amenities right outside your front door. Positioned between major highways, this community makes getting around simple with fast access to I-35W, the Chisolm Trail Parkway, I-20 and 820. Choose from Bloomfield's Classic Series floor plans with dozens of designs that let you personalize the home to fit your needs. Some lots are big enough to fit a 3-car garage. Here at Hunters Ridge, we're featuring our Carolina 4 and Dogwood 3 floor plans. The Carolina can be built as a 1 or 2-story design that checks all the boxes with nearly 3,300 square feet, up to 5 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, game room, and formal dining. There's a space for every special moment. The Dogwood is a gorgeous 2-story home with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and an upstairs game room with a tech center. Everyone loves the spacious family room with high ceilings, along with the open kitchen situated around a large island. Bloomfield Homes is one of the largest and most trusted home builders in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. No builder includes more luxury standard features at the base price than Bloomfield Homes. And Hunters Ridge offers an incredible lifestyle with amenities like a swimming pool, playground, and nature trails throughout the neighborhood. You also have the built-in advantage of gas utilities here in the community. Just minutes away, take advantage of Benbrook Lake and Lake Granbury. And you're close to downtown Fort Worth with major employment centers like the Medical District and TCU. Come out to our model home and see why Bloomfield was named Builder of the Year.